1, 2, 3, 4. The splendor of the King, clothed in majesty, that all the earth rejoice, all the earth rejoice. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God, and all will see how great is our God. You're the name above all names. You are worthy of all praise, and my heart will sing how great is our God. Oh, what's up, Jooba people? Today I'm showing you how to play the song How Great Is Our God by Chris Tomlin. What an amazing song to play. And this song is in the key of G, but using the key of G chords, but we're using the capo on the 5th fret. Okay, now before we get started, we're going to I'm going to be referring a lot to a PDF that we are going to be following along. So if you want to download that and follow along, then you can click on the link in the description. It's totally free. You can just go get it quickly, and then you can come back to this lesson and follow along with what I'm teaching you. Okay, so let's jump in with a close-up for the chords. Okay, so simply the chords for this song are the 4 chords in the key of G. Now they are easy chords because this is an easy tutorial. Okay, the first chord that we are going to use is a G, first finger, 2nd fret, over there on the 5th string. 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string. And then with the right hand, you just play the first 4 strings. Okay? That's the first chord. The second chord is going to be an E minor. Two fingers over there. And the third chord is going to be a C. Just take the index finger down 1 and put these 2 fingers on the 3rd fret. Okay, so it's going to be 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3, 3, 2. Just play the first few strings on your guitar. Okay, first 4 strings. And then in the chorus and the bridge, we're going to go to the D. So just to recap, G, E minor, C, and D. Okay, now the strumming pattern for this song is really quite simple. It's a down strum pattern. We just strum downs. Later you can add up strums in between the downs, but for now just keep it at a simple progression like this. Mute all the strings and then play along with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and... Okay, quite simple. Then let's do that a little bit faster. I'm going to count in and then we go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the G chord, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. To the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Pretty simple, okay? Let's go quickly to the chord progressions of the song. So the chord progressions are simple. For the verse, we've got G, E minor, and C twice twice on the C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then double the time on the C. So the C carries on a long time. So let's just play the first 2 lines of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. The splendor of the King. Now to the E minor. Clothed in majesty. Now to the C. Let all the earth rejoice. Let all the earth rejoice. And then they just repeat that for the verses. Okay, for the chorus, it's exactly the same, but instead of holding the C for a long time, you go to the D after the C. So it's like, great is our God. Then to the E minor, sing with me, how great is our God. Then to the C, and all will see how great. Then to the D, how great is our God. Okay, for the bridge, same story. You're the name above all names. You are worthy of all praise. Then to the C, and my heart will sing, how great is our God. Okay, that's it guys for this song. It's pretty simple to play. Play along with the original song. Sometimes you'll see on the PDF we say capo 6 because on the original recording of Chris Tomlin he plays it with capo on the 6th fret. Okay, capo on the 6th fret, and then to play with the original CD. But most of the time when he's doing it live, he uses capo on the 5th fret. There's also a version of that Hillsong does where they play with the capo on the 1st fret because it's in the key of A flat or G sharp. How great is our God. Now that's better for a female leading the song, then it will work better there. But if it's a male singing and he's got a nice high voice, then you can do it with capo 5th fret or capo 6th fret. Okay. Alternatively, you can just take the capo off and just play with no capo in the key of G, just like that. How great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. That's a really comfortable key to do it in. Okay, tip number 2, if you want to really get the song sounding a bit more like the original with the strumming, then add up strums in between your down strums. So as your hand's coming up, you add an up strum in between the down strums. Okay, so that can get you closer to the original. We'll have a harder version later in the course, but this video is part of a beginner course, so if you want to get into that course, it's totally free. You just sign up below, or you don't even have to sign up. You just click and start going through the course. So we're going to do tons of cool songs in that course. The Blessing, one of the songs, What a Beautiful Name It Is, Broken Vessels by Hillsong. So there's a bunch of cool worship songs that are going to be part of this course, and you guys are going to love it. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video.